One cat's joy is another cat's grief.
Just a little more speed. Just land that spot, then I can get Anna out of this miserable damp cave. But the rules shift always faster than our best efforts.
Hustle up and collect all the taxes these peasants owe. If they can't pay, toss them straight to the dump to rot and die. I can't stand this shithole of an undercity one damn minute longer. The so-called life-saving Dr. Anna. Your surface maintenance fees jumped to 90 this month. Fork it over fast.
Take it. Not one credit less than you're owed.
I'm cutting a fellow a break. This voucher for your sister. Extra exam points.
Why he help us? Anyway, Elizabeth will be over the moon when she sees this.
I'm sorry, Anna. I've troubled you again.
Never say that, Emma. No matter how many injuries you get in the mines, I'll always heal you. You said we're good friends, remember?
This worthless run's got awakening signs. Damn bad luck. The fish has taken the bait. The 20% bloodline target is showing awakening signs.
It's time.